doing, Moki? Oh, the Smokey. Oh, look at you. You're good boy. I like your ears. Good morning, everybody. On my way to work. It is Saturday, so it is a work day, and it's actually going to be pretty busy. Jesus. I hate sneezing while driving. I'm like really stuffy today. I don't feel great. I'm tired. The struggle is real. But yeah, it's the last Saturday before Christmas, so we're really booked. And I'm trying to schedule my passport for Monday, like to get it, and like the lady who called me this morning was super rude. So I'm really hoping that this isn't a mistake to go to the local library to get my passport. Very annoying. But oh, this guy just pulled right out in front of me. Yay! But I should be at the spot until about 4, as long as everything goes as planned. And then it is my weekend. Yay! Although I have to go to the spa on Monday now, so I only have 1 day off technically. I am done work, thank God. I actually got done a little earlier than what I thought I would, which was also nice. I am coloring my hair. Can you see? Doing the balayage thing, seeing as my highlights were going out, even though it's literally been 4 weeks. Oh well, I guess my hair wants to grow really fast. But I am just on my way home. Nothing too exciting happened at work other than the fact that one of my clients told me that somebody came up to her at work and told her that her hair was ugly. Like really ugly. And we took her from like literally she had a mullet and we took him short because I was like, I can't cut your mullet anymore. This is ridiculous. And yeah, and I guess she said it was effing ugly. That was pretty much the most exciting thing that happened all day. I'm on my way to JJ's, aka AJ, the boyfriend. He was supposed to get off at 8 and it ended up being 8:30, which means he didn't get home until 9. It's literally like 5 minutes after 9 and I'm already heading over. But I like don't know when I'm gonna be able to see him again, so I'm excited. Heading home from the boyfriend's. He is so sick. I didn't realize how sick. Oh jeez. How sick he was. Oh god, I'm having trouble. Apparently, I am a hot mess at the moment. Sneezing and yawning and ay. But he better not get me sick, especially like right before Christmas. That would really suck. But poor guy, it's not even 11 and he's already headed to bed. But I was so happy to see him. I missed him, but I think for the rest of the week he's like done with the super late shifts, so I was very excited about that. But I'm just gonna head home now and go to bed after watching some TV. So I'm gonna end this vlog now while I can actually speak. Unlike last night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you enjoy vlogs, to give this video a giant thumbs up. Vlogmas is almost done and I can't believe it. And don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss anything. Alright, good night guys.